Guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, so today's video, it's Thursday. It is normally keto cocktail, and this is sort of a keto cocktail, but it's one of those things that if I send you one way it would be keto, and if I send you another way it would be less keto, but still low in carbs for the new year. But it is New Year's Eve, and this is such a fun cocktail. So I'm going to show you a couple ways of doing it. So let's get started. You need a Prosecco or a champagne. This one is by Prosecco. They have the most beautiful bottles. You can see this one has pink sparkles all over it, so it's gorgeous, especially if you are serving it. It's wonderful. We need a little vanilla Tirani syrup. This is 0 carbs. A little bit of lemon, fresh lemon juice, and then we are also going to use a little bit of vanilla vodka. And then the thing that makes it not so low carb is some white cotton candy. You can use pink as well. I will show you. But for this one, we are using white. And you need some edible gold stars. Hello, the ball's dropping. And a little bit of gold edible luster dust. All right, let's get this cocktail started. So a little shaker with ice, okay? 1 ounce, not very much, just 1 ounce of the vanilla vodka. The reason I'm using the vanilla vodka is we have a vanilla cotton candy. We're also gonna do 1 ounce of vanilla syrup. This is 0 carbs. This is my favorite things, these Tiranis. Sugar-free, make sure you get sugar-free. A little squeeze of lemon, just a tad. You don't need a lot. And then we're gonna give it a little shake. Oh, this could be the last shake of the New Year's, you guys. It's not. To make our ball, right? Okay, it is New Year's Eve after all. The ball's gonna drop. We're gonna make a little well. We're gonna put in some beautiful little stars and just a touch of the edible gold glitter. And we're gonna wrap it in a little ball. I don't like to do it too tight because I like the fluffiness of the cotton candy. I like that look. And this has a vanilla flavor, hence all the other vanilla flavors. So we have our little garnish. We're gonna set that aside. All right, we're going to pour our mixture at the bottom. Vanilla vodka, vanilla syrup, lemon juice. Pop the top. Here we go. Woo! New Year's Eve has started. Not quite, but now we're going to fill the glass, a white ball, and we are going to just push it down just a little bit. We're going to top it with some more little gold stars, because come on, you guys. And a little gold dusting. Look how gorgeous that is. It really does elevate it. Now, do you need the cotton candy? Absolutely not. Rim the glass with something cute and festive. I feel like I have cotton candy on my nose. Rim the glass with something super festive and super cute. But I love the vanilla syrup with the vanilla vodka, and then the champagne or Prosecco. It just sort of elevates your cocktail, and yeah, it's pretty fun, right? I am going to show you the pink version of this. This girl likes pink, you know that. We might as well go out with a little pink flair. So let me go ahead and show you the pink version of this cocktail. Let's talk about the pink version. Still use your Prosecco, okay? Still a Prosecco. We're gonna use a pink cotton candy. We are going to use a Blackberry simple syrup, low carb. You could, of course, use cranberry. I just happen to have Blackberry left over from another cocktail that I have done. A little bit of citrus, so we're gonna use lemon. And then pink edible glitter. We're gonna use Ciroc red berry. You could use pomegranate. I have pomegranate, I have cranberry. I'm gonna try it with the red berry. I wanna try, this one's new. I wanna try that, and then we're gonna rim our glass with a sugar that is berry. So this is snazzleberry sugar blend. So I'm gonna pour a little on the dish here. And I am going to, the first thing I'm gonna do is rim the glass. I like to always set my glass. Same glass, champagne, no seeds, seeds bad. And then we're just going to rim the glass in that beautiful pink, so pretty. Then we are going to, with very dry hands, take some pink cotton candy. Now you guys, do you remember when I did the lemon drops with this? That was so fun. I love that. That was a lot of fun. Again, we're gonna make a little tiny well, put a little tiny, this is hot pink. Oh gosh, I love this. I'm a pink girl, y'all. Super compact ball. There is our garnish. Thing we're going to do is put some of the Ciroc, and it's 1 ounce. That's it. That's all we need. Let me smell this. Oh my gosh, that smells so divine. This is the red berry. That smells so good. We're gonna use 1 ounce of the blackberry simple syrup. Remember, that's low carb. We're gonna use a little citrus. You could use lemon or lime. I am out of lemons because during my Christmas party, I made bee's knees, and we drank a lot of them, you guys. I went through so much, it wasn't even funny. We're just gonna squeeze in half of a lime. Ow. And then we're gonna give it a little shake. Just a tiny little shake. Okay. And we pour. And you can already tell this one's gonna be very pretty and pink. Okay, and then we have our pink New Year's Eve ball. And all right, you guys, let's drop the ball. Woo! Ah, look how pretty and pink that is. All right, here we go. That is gonna be sweeter than the vanilla. It was really good. All right, now what if your favorite color isn't pink or white? What if it's blue? I got you covered. All right, you guys, third and final. So blue is your favorite color. You said blue is your favorite color. All right, let's do it. Blue cotton candy. Yes, my son's gonna love me. What flavor is this? Blue raspberry. Oh my goodness. And what does Tarani make? Blue raspberry, 0 carb syrup. So yes, that's the ingredient. This is the ingredient. Prosecco's the ingredient. And then we're gonna use an absolute wild berry. Little bit of lemon, or excuse me, a little bit of lime. We need a little bit of citrus. Okay, let's go. Hands first, I'm gonna make the ball. And blue edible glitter. I mean, it's the whole thing, right? Oh, I love this. This one hasn't been opened yet, so it's so nice and soft. Again, a little puff of cloud. Really pretty blue glitter. I get so excited. We make a little ball. Make it nice and soft. Okay. Truth. 1 ounce wild berry, 1 ounce of the blue red raspberry, or what do we got here? Yeah, blue red raspberry, 1 ounce, a little bit of lime. Again, this is just half a lime, a nice little shake. Such a pretty blue color. All right. Go. All right, we have our little snowball, and we're gonna set it right on top. Then we are going to, of course, add a little bit of the blue glitter right on top, because it's New Year's Eve. All right, let's, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! And give it a swirl. Here is to the blue New Year's Eve, but no one's having a blue New Year's Eve. That's a really, really good. Ooh. That is not necessarily my favorite color, but that one might be my favorite taste. I don't know. It's pretty darn tasty. Regardless of whether you like the red, the white, or the pink, they're all delicious. They're all fun. Celebrate, indulge, have fun. I wish you all a very happy, healthy, prosperous New Year. I look forward to seeing you in the new year. For those of you that have been following me, thank you so very much. For those of you that are new here, welcome. And let's make 2024 the best year yet. Much love, and I will see you soon. Mwah! Cheers, guys.